New at 10, President Biden says his administration will soon negotiate prices of widely used prescription drugs to help reduce costs for millions of Americans. The administration also says the negotiations will save taxpayers billions of dollars. KTVU South Bay reporter LaMonica Peters live tonight in San Jose with more from patient advocates about the new plan. LaMonica.
Yeah, it'll be a few years before people actually see these price reductions, but the Biden administration says that making these life-saving drugs more affordable will be worth the wait.
Statistics show that a lot of people don't get their medications filled because they can't afford the out-of-pocket costs. So this will help.
On Tuesday, President Joe Biden announced his administration will begin negotiating prescription drug prices with pharmaceutical companies under the Inflation Reduction Act. 10 of the most widely used drugs, including Eliquis, Jardiance, and Xarelto, will be targeted for price reduction within the Medicare program.
Most users are seniors, those over 65. So this is a very good thing, along with the cap for Medicare of, the $2,000 cap.
The $2,000 cap is the most anyone using Medicare will pay out of pocket. The drugs listed for price cuts include drugs that treat diabetes, blood clots, psoriasis, and blood cancers. The Center for Elders Independence in Oakland says they have a special program that provides medication to seniors free of charge.
But we have to pay for the medicines and we have to live within a budget. So it's very important for everybody that wants quality health care to have our medications at a reasonable price.
Last year, patients on Medicare paid $3.4 billion of out-of-pocket costs for drugs. Medicare also paid more than $50 billion for prescription drugs from June 2022 until May 31st of this year. Dr. Middleberger says negotiating fair prices for prescription drugs will help millions of Americans, but there will be some resistance from drug companies.
If you had a company and you were able to sell your stuff at whatever price you wanted and the government couldn't negotiate, you would not like it if there was going to be a negotiation. But for the people of the United States, for the taxpayers, and for all those people that need these medicines from Medicare and Medicaid, this is a positive step.
Now, drug companies that do not participate in this new process will be heavily taxed, and drug makers have already filed multiple lawsuits against the Biden administration over this new plan. Mike?
LaMonica Peters live tonight in San Jose. LaMonica, thank you for that. Health